Welcome to Stardust, Comprehensive Business Process Management. To get started, just download the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. In my case, it is a Mac version for 64-bit. Select your mirror, the nearest by, and you are finished. The next step is to unpack what you downloaded before. Now we can finally open Eclipse. In my case, I have to accept that this program is from the internet, and the next thing is to install a Java runtime environment. All of this I accept and start installing. After the successful installation, Eclipse starts. After Eclipse started, you can switch to the workbench and choose the Help menu and install new software. Choose Luna from the drop-down menu, which is the actual release of Eclipse. This takes some time, so now we can find the SOA development section, and there you find the Eclipse Process Manager. Just select every item of the Eclipse Process Manager and hit Next. You have to accept the terms of the license agreement. So choose Finish and the software will install. After the successful installation, Eclipse asks for a restart. Just restart and all your installation is done. Next step could be to continue with our tutorial, which is to support case management. Thank you for listening. Bye.